you so much for clicking on my channel. I hope you are not disappointed by what you see. If you are, do let me know. Okay, come here and do a couple of facts about me, some random facts about me actually. Nothing too special, but hey, hope you enjoy it. And I would also love to do a giveaway. I love to do art, and I would love to give away a couple of my art pieces to some lovely winners. Obviously, if you're interested, please do follow me on my Instagram, and definitely subscribe and comment down below. So I got a list here. I'm just gonna power through and try to make it as entertaining as possible, because if you haven't gathered, I am quite entertaining, if I do say so myself. Okay. All right, so first off, I'm a Christian. Yay! I love me some God. Okay. I am a pastor's daughter. I can do a video about how it was growing up as a pastor's kid, but yes, I'm a pastor's daughter and I absolutely love it. My first ever job was in McDonald's. I was flipping the burgers. Flip, flip, flip. And then eating the McFlurry. With all the topping. Oh, I used to love it. Chicken Premier. Who remembers Chicken Premier? That stuff with the herbs on the bun. Oh, Chicken Premier. Y'all don't know. And I'm in HR now. I love me some HR. You're fired, and I don't like you, so you're fired, and you're fired too. I'm joking. I don't deal with employee relations just yet. I don't know if I'll have. I mean, maybe later on in my career, I'll be able to muster the balls to fire people. Again, because I'm really not good with disagreements. I get quite attached to the situation, and then I always want to put myself in the person's shoes. So then I over empathize, and then it's like, ooh, we still need to be constructive here. How is this gonna work? But yeah, I'm working on that. I'm also the type of person that if I can imagine it, if I can picture it in my head, I'm going to create it. I'm going to be able to give you a product that I've created in my head. I love to mix and match things. For example, I'm taking moringa at the moment, and it's got such an earthy taste, like a grassy taste. As much as I love it, and as much as it's so healthy for me, it's just, it's a bit blah. So again, I mix it into my protein shake. Double whammy. Okay. Oh, yeah. I was one of the kids that got sent back home to Ghana. Yeah, I know. You know, those growing up, you're doing something in public, and your parents are like, they're trying to give you the look like, and you're just like, I'm going to do it anyway. Yeah, so that didn't end me well. I got sent back to Ghana. And as much as that experience, no, actually that experience was a blessing to me now looking back. But when I was there, hey, the lashes and all of that, it weren't great. But I'm grateful. Yeah. Oh, I love to chew ice. Yes, ice, baby. Ice, baby. Hey. Especially when you garnish it with some parsley. Hey! Match made in heaven. No, I'm just joking. I don't garnish it with nothing. I just love chewing it. Like, I'm at work and I'm thinking, oh, when I get home, I'm gonna serve me some ice cubes. Ooh. I don't know, am I the only one that has an addiction to ice? I am recovering. I haven't had it in a while, and I haven't made some in the freezer in a while, and I'm actually very proud of myself. But yeah, I am super addicted to it. If you want to buy me anything, get me some ice maker. Ooh, I would love me an ice maker. And then maybe something for the enamel, so that I don't, yeah. I love finding new recipes absolutely love it. I'm the type of person who likes to eyeball things, not following the recipe, but then when it comes to baking, you actually do need to follow the recipe. I'm going to need 2 spoons of plain flour, 2 spoons of yogurt, 2 spoons of, hi, let's just pop it all in and hope for the best. It doesn't work. Always follow the recipe. Tissue. I don't know what it is with me. I only need 1 tissue, but when I go to, like, let's say Starbucks or Greg's or McDonald's, I'm the girl that will take the whole chunk and put it in my bag. I don't need it. Why do I take it? So by the end of the week, I have like so much tissue and receipts. I can't get rid of receipts in my bag doing absolutely nothing. And then I feel bad when I'm throwing it out. I don't know why. It was doing nothing in my bag anyway. Anyway, weird, very weird. But hey, I'm a bit of a home girl. I love my solitude, just being alone. As much as I love people, I love being alone. Like when you're coming to my house or if we're doing stuff, you kind of have to tell me long before, because I have plans with myself, you know, with my pajamas, you know, with the book or with my artwork and stuff like that. So sometimes I don't want to go out, you know, I'm a bit antisocial. I mean, not that anyone invites me out anyway. I'm a loner, but I love it. Look, I'm looking at a camera and I'm talking to myself. Who does that? Yes, I've never been one of the cool kids. I've been one of the weird ones in the corner, has her own style, has her own trend, and I like to set it. I don't care if the trend's not in, I'm gonna wear what I feel comfortable in, and it hasn't always been acceptable and I haven't always embraced that about myself, but growing up, I've just realized, you know what, if you don't like it, my friend, move on, okay? The other thing is, I'm actually an introvert. Why did that make me laugh? No, actually, when I tell people I'm shy, they're like, get out of here, shut up girl. But I'm like, no, I'm actually a very shy person, very shy. So when I walk into a room, I'm quiet and I'm pretty much observing to see like, okay, should I just sit alone, which I want to, or do I mingle with these people? I mean, who can I mingle with? And then I'm just like, and people think, oh, look at this tush girl just walking and thinking she's all that. But it's not that. I just have another fact, a resting bitch face, so, and I can't see properly. I need to be wearing my glasses. So if I'm not wearing my glasses and I walk into a room, I'm a bit like this. It's not that I'm trying to be stush. I can't see, okay? I can't see. Just trying to find my way to sit down. Oh, but yeah, I'm 100% sociable. I make friends very easily. I'm a bit of a crybaby. I can watch music videos, movies, and cry. I mean, sob with the goosebumps and everything. Who gets that? And then rewatch it and do the same thing. I don't know. I really bond with characters. Oh, that's the other thing. When I'm watching, if it's an anime or a movie or something of the sort, I need the person to tell me that this character's gonna die so that I do not bond with them. For example, my younger brother was showing the new Spider-Man. Well, not the new one, depending on when this comes out. And Mary Jane's dad, the cop, the police guy, he died, but then obviously in the scene they're fighting, and I'm thinking, why have they changed the scene when my man, is he dead? And I remember asking my brother, is he dead? Because I'm gonna turn this TV off right about now. He was like, no, he doesn't die. So I'm just there optimistic, And then I see the credits and the cast and everything. I'm like, but where's Mary Jane's dad? And my brother's like, yeah, he died. But yeah, so I can't with them. Any anime that I've watched, I've told him to tell me that this character dies in this one. That's why I can't watch Game of Thrones. I will try, but yeah. I'm a bit of a routine, very routine based girl. I need to be able to get the routine in my head so that I know exactly what I'm doing, you know, I can hit the ground running sort of thing. If I can't get my head around it, and then it's just like I'm walking through life like I don't know. I'm just someone who likes to get into a routine. So like when I started to work out, I had to get myself into a routine, like pa pa pa, come home, do this, come here, cook, eat, sleep, go to work tomorrow. That's how I am. How did I get into the gym? It was from a bad breakup. I know. Yeah, a bad breakup drove me into the gym. And now I'm obsessed with the gym. I am obsessed with lifting weight. I love working out. It's so good for you. So cheers, mate. Thanks for dumping me. Okay, thank you for dumping me. Now I love myself so much more. Yeah, I love me. I goof around a lot when I am alone. I have a massive mirror here and literally I'm like, hey sexy babe. I can be alone and reenact the whole movie in front of this mirror, do my jumping jacks and handstands and, you know, weird stuff when I'm alone. And yeah, I'm not mad at that. I don't mind. I think it's cool. You have to love being alone. Am I weird? I'm not weird, am I? Anywho, don't answer that. Oh. My nails are super strong. So strong to the extent where I don't know if any of you can relate, but when I was schooling back home in Ghana, we used to have morning inspections where the teachers would inspect your fingernails, and obviously they do this like randomly, and you'll have me in the corner trying to do what everyone else is doing. But the thing is, my nails are too hard, so you can see my teeth dented in each of the nails. So obviously when the teacher comes, he looks at them, he's like, what is this crookedness? And I get beaten anyway. So I ended up not chewing them. I just say, you know what, just beat me. Please just beat me. Because I'm not about to mess my nails and get beaten. Just one. Okay. Yeah. Again, back to when I was schooling in Ghana, I had to cut all my hair off. Shaved it all off. I mean, grade 1. I was on grade 1 with the waves and everything. And puberty hadn't hit, so I looked exactly like my older brother. I looked like a boy. But God is so good, you know? He's so good to us. Hey, look at all this hair now. Anyway, this is not my hair, but you know, we're gonna make it work. I really shy away from drama. As I've growing up, I mean, I'm the type of person where as we're arguing or as we are having a disagreement, the points that you're giving me, I'm still trying to reason with it. So if I'm mad at you that you put £10 on the table instead of £20 on the table, if your response has anything to do with an explanation as to why you did it, your thought pattern and all of that, I can literally switch and be like, oh, okay, there's no beef anymore. But if it's more like, then my mind literally switches off. So it's just like, so the person can be like, yeah, vexing, and I'm just like, okay. And then that's it. Done deal. Because I know it's a lost cause. It's gone here and back out because it ain't gonna work.